parties right here in our own area. One is happening at Ford's Oyster House in downtown Greenville. That is where Joe is this morning. Not paying attention to us, but we will go live to him right now. Joe?
Okay, Cody, we're at Ford's for Mardi Gras, and you want me to work. What are you, crazy? Well, okay, I guess we will. We're with the awesome chef, Damien, who is with here at Ford's. How are you, man?
Hey, I'm great.
Now,
Good morning.
now who is your magical friend here?
This is Cajun Joe right here. And what you see here is a beautiful, delicious king cake.
Oh, no, Joanne. Oh, I'm sorry, Cajun Joe. What is a king cake?
King cake has got the king, one of the kings, 3 wise men. We put it in the king cake. You cut the cake. If you get the baby, you have to have the next party. So we get to have a party every day for 2 weeks before Mardi Gras. So come down to Ford's, get a king cake, and you can have the party tomorrow.
That's ridiculous. So for 2 weeks, you guys throw a party every night?
Every single night, because there's parades, there's balls, we celebrate. We party till Fat Tuesday because you got to give something up for Lent. So maybe it'll be king cake you'll have to give up for Lent. But
No,
we just party.
No, what does Mardi Gras mean? Like, what is it for?
It's just let the good times roll.
All
and
right.
you get your beads and you eat and you drink and it's just a festival for families that we just love it. We have a great time.
And you wear the most fantastic pants this world's ever known.
Yes, you have to have your costume to go to Mardi Gras. That's how you get the most beads. The best beads come from people that have the best costume.
The biggest
Costume. Okay, good. I was worried. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. And so you have something crazy on tap all day.
All day.
Yes, yummy beer.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Delicious beer.
Hurricane. No, we have New Orleans tradition. Hurricanes. Got to come down for a hurricane.
Hurricanes, Cody.
Hurricane.
I am never coming back to this station again. Apparently we have a meeting that happens at 9:30. Everybody after the show. I'm not coming. What are you, crazy?